So around, I don't know, maybe a year ago or so, around the time that I got my my car aligned, the front end aligned, um, I was noticing there was a few little leaks here and there on things, and one of the things I don't like about the underside of the car is there's a little bit of chrome that's happening, and when I was at the shop getting the front end alignment, the guy was like, if you got chrome, you ain't getting home. And I'm like, what does that mean? He's like, all chrome leaks. He goes, you get rid of the chrome and your leaks stop. And how true that is, I'm not sure, but I think the black on black is going to be better. So I got nice silicone and a black trans pan and a black for my differential, and I got a lube blocker gasket for this, which are supposedly phenomenal. And so the other thing that I've done recently is I replaced this, pulled it out, and I've driven over, I would say, a good hour on this engine, and there's no leaks anymore out of there, so that's good. And a long time ago, I had a little leak, like right here, I'd see some oil buildup, and I had to take this off. And just recently, I've been noticing that where I was having a little buildup over here too. And bizarrely enough, when I came out today, I was like, all right, let's go see where that leak is, and it's not there. So usually the oil doesn't migrate that fast, so not sure if I wiped it and I don't remember or whatever, but I think at some point I'm going to have to remove this. Now, these have really nice silicone gaskets on them. I will say that with this system of these long extensions going in, they don't really crank down that tight, so I don't know if that's the issue or the act of flipping it over and the gasket gets not perfectly sealed. That's probably what it is. But since I'm not seeing anything right now, I'm not going to do anything. If I see it a week later or whatever, I'll change it, but that's probably coming up. So then I just need to do these two things, which differential, not a big deal. It's kind of a pain in the ass to refill. Transpan, I don't really like being under the car, especially I can't get this car up high enough. And so, like, literally, the car's like 2 inches away from my face. And I wish I had a lift, because if I had a lift, I'd feel totally confident getting under there and doing all this stuff and no big deal. But I just feel like I'm going to get squashed at any moment, and so I don't like that. I'm a little claustrophobic when it comes to that. So, but we'll see. I think I got all the right parts, and I got nothing else to do because I'm waiting to get stuff, painted. So I might as well knock out some stuff that I could get to, and these are two things I could get to. So we'll see how it goes, but it's going to be a slow process. We'll see what happens. That was crazy. That was officially the easiest it ever went up. And I think the key was these little rubber pads in the beginning, and I wet them down so they stick to the ground. Otherwise they'll just slide and I'll just push them. So just gonna go ahead and jack this side up and see where we go. Well, there you have it. I got the back part all finished on the differential. We got the trans tunnel all done. And now I'm thinking I might look at my front oil leak and see if I can find it, since it's up anyways and I got nothing else to do. So I'll catch that in another video. Till next time, have a great day.